Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the priority set in automatic white balance on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here. Then we're going to scroll down to white balance and select priority set in AVB, so automatic white balance. And what this option basically does, if we take off the cover right here, you can see the preview. It changes the it changes what colors the camera prioritizes if automatic white balance is enabled. So we have standard, ambience, and white. So select the option that suits you the best. And after you've done that, you just exit out of the settings, and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.